Hello, I'm going to be going over the new mod manager really quickly. I'm just going to show all the new features and anything that you'd really need to use the new mod manager. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You will need the .NET Framework 4.8 redistributable. If you don't have that, just search up .NET 4.8 Framework on your web browser or whatever. You'll be able to find it. Just download that if it's not opening for you. So when you open it up, you'll see, please select a mod path. So first thing you want to do, go ahead and open up your settings and set up your different paths. You have three different paths. The first one is the path to your game directory. So just find your castle.exe and open it or double click it, whatever. If you did it correctly, you'll see this notification that says game path set. For your user data directory, find where you have Steam installed. It's in the same location if you were to click on common. And then you'd pretty much just go back to Steam and then find user data. And then this is the folder you'd use. So you just click open. And then for your mod library path, this depends on what you want, but I'll go ahead and go over to the one I already have right here, which is a mod repository that I have on GitHub, but just has a bunch of different mod files. You'll see it populated in the background already. There's a bunch of different mods I have. So the button right here will open up the app data. This has all the information. This has the profiles. The way the system works is different Steam profiles have, uh, different profiles attached to them. So if I load this one, you'll see I have a bunch of different profiles. The reason why it's done this way is because Castle Crashers has Steam profile specific saves, and they're encrypted and really weird and specific to your Steam profile. So you can't just copy a CC save file over to another Steam profile. So that's why it's set up that way. But as you can see, you can set up, you know, different Steam profiles, and they'll have uh, different mod profiles attached to them. The reason why I did that is because you can also do profile specific saves, which is the ones that have this icon. So you can right click and it opens up this menu. Um, lets you show, like, open up the backups for the profile. If you have a profile that has profile specific saves enabled, you will have backups. So like here's a backup of my industrial prints profile. I'll go ahead and load that now. I'll show you the deployment. So as you can see, I have two mods enabled here, and I'll go ahead and go to my Castle Crashers folder, go in here, and I'll just show really quickly that this does not have any mods installed yet. You'll be able to tell because there's some music files that are not in there. If I type in B, you'll see there's nothing named like Bojangles or whatever. And then here, if I click the deploy button, this one right here, it'll deploy my profile. This one also has the high quality music, so it does take a minute, but you'll see it deployed, has all the new files. You'll see Bojangles now. That comes from the Industrial Prints mod, which I can show you as this in it. Um, each mod has a mod icon, that's how you set it, and then it has mod info as well, how you set this information to populate in your mod list. You can add that for any folder that you want. Um, so I have no script, so I'm just going through everything as I think of it. You can search for things if you want as well. That's great. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and launch the game now. You can undeploy mods. It just resets everything and it will reapply the global save file. The global save file is used for anything that isn't profile or a save specific profile. So like if this icon right here is not next to your profile, it's not going to be using a separated save file, it's gonna use the same one for all of them. All of these ones without that icon use the global save file, which is just the regular save file you use whenever you launch through Steam. So, I guess go ahead and load up now. If you want to know if a profile is deployed or not, look for the check mark. If that check mark is not there, then it is not deployed. So if I load another profile, you'll see it is not deployed. This one's not deployed, and this one is. So by default, whenever you launch the program, efficiency mode is enabled. And what that means is whenever you launch the game through the manager, it will put it in a like frozen state where it is meant to conserve resources so that the mod manager is not taking up, resources in the background while you're actually playing your game. I'll go and show you what that looks like now. Um, so you'll see this is Industrial Prince. It has the loading, the icon up here, all that. Go to like stats. It should have different character formats or something. Yeah, it is Industrial Prince. Anyways, I'll go ahead and unlock the mod manager and it's back to normal. I have a lot of theme stuff. I'm not going to go too deep into this for the tutorial because it's not really particularly important, but you can theme things all you want, which is pretty cool. And you can also, use some of the preset themes if you want. You can also create your own theme. This is a theme that I made just for an example of the video, but I'll go ahead and make a quick change. I'll make it like green or something a little bit. Give me a second. Let's see. Yes, I know it's pretty ugly now, but this is just to show it. So I can name my new theme. And you'll see it populates here. And you can now load that whenever you want, or you can delete it. And I will be deleting it. That's a bug to fix right there. And that will be fixed by the end of the video, I guess. Or after I end the video. Anyways, you can also rename it. I'm gonna go back to the default. I think that's pretty much everything. It's not super complicated. Um, yeah. Okay. You guys have a good one.